In this video I'm going to show you how to practice your intonation on the violin using a tuner. You are going to learn how to understand those letters, numbers and symbols and how to use this information. Coming up. Hi everybody, welcome back to Violin Lessons Online. This is an online violin school for beginners and advanced players. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Hit the bell notification icon, follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Visit my website so you won't miss anything. To understand what I'll be explaining in this video, you need to have a tuner. You need to know what it is and how to use it. And you must know how to tune your violin correctly. I have several extra videos explaining all that, links in the description below. In some finger charts of my tutorials, I'm using this kind of information. All those letters, numbers and symbols are useful and important if you wish to practice your intonation using a tuner. Practicing the intonation with a tuner means playing a certain note on the violin and correcting its position. Let me show you an example. This is the finger chart of one of my covers. The first finger on the D string of this song is named E4. Now simply turn on your tuner, position it near your violin and play the first finger on the D string. While playing, watch the position of the line of the tuner and slightly change the position of your finger on the fingerboard till the line of the tuner stops in the center. Let me show you that. Every note you play on the violin has a name. In this particular example, the first finger on the D string is named E4. The second finger is named F4. The third finger is named G4. And the fourth finger is named A4. You should practice every finger singularly, simply going through the same process. After you have practiced the intonation of every finger singularly, you should practice the fingers in couples, going through every possible combination. First and second finger, first and third, first and fourth, second and third, second and fourth, and finally third and fourth. Let me show you that. That is how you practice the intonation using a tuner. Sometimes, as you can see here, the same note can be named in two different ways. Depending on the type of a tuner you're using, it might show you the first or the second name. Practically, it makes no difference. And finally, make sure to pay attention to the sharp and the flat symbols near the notes names. For instance, C#4 is not the same note as C4. If you have any questions, if you think there is anything I'm missing in this video, or if you have any requests on which video you would like me to do next, simply let me know in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now, hit the bell notification icon, follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, visit my website so you won't miss anything. I really hope you liked this video, and if you did, then give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.